Hi, I'm Wyatt, part of the comfort team here at Affordable Comfort. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce the Trane S9V2 gas furnace, a heating system designed to bring you ultimate comfort, energy savings, and peace of mind. Let's start with the exterior. This heavy-duty insulated cabinet isn't just about durability. For you, it means quieter operation and lower energy costs, keeping your home cozy without the distraction of loud noise or wasted energy. Let's take a look inside. Inside, we have a two-stage gas valve. What does this mean for you? It adjusts automatically to provide just the right amount of heat, reducing temperature swings and keeping your home consistently comfortable, all while saving on energy costs. So tucked in here behind the control board is the blower motor. The variable speed blower motor is a game changer. For you, this means quieter system startups and shutdowns, improved air circulation for your even heating throughout your home, including those chilly bedrooms, and better humidity control during warmer months, giving you year-round comfort. Now let's talk about the heart of the furnace, the primary and secondary heat exchangers. These components capture nearly every ounce of heat, giving you up to 96% efficiency. For you, that means lower energy bills and more warmth, even on the coldest days. This is the silicon nitride hot surface igniter, built to last longer than traditional igniters. For you, that means fewer repair calls and the peace of mind that your furnace will fire up reliably whenever you need it. Every component of the S9V2 is rigorously tested under extreme conditions in Trane's SEET lab. What does that mean for you? A furnace that will perform day in and day out, no matter how harsh our Canadian winters get. Pair the S9V2 with a Trane Smart Thermostat, and you'll unlock even more benefits. Remote control of your system, diagnostics for easy troubleshooting, and precision temperature adjustments. For you, this means effortless control and more time to focus on what matters most. At Affordable Comfort, we're about making your home life easier. With the Trane S9V2 gas furnace, you get unmatched comfort, incredible energy savings, and reliable performance. Ready to make the upgrade? Give us a call or visit our website. Let's make home comfort easy for you.